An update now on a story we've been following since last spring when 20-year-old Tomas Ayala died in Sahuarita in a head-on crash involving a drunk driver.
Yeah, that driver pleading guilty to reduced charges in December, and last week he was sentenced. But as KGUN 9's Ryan Fish reports, Tomas's father, Gabriel, a well-known Pasquayaki musician, does not believe justice was served.
It's been 9 months since Tomas Ayala was tragically killed in a crash involving a drunk driver, but the emotions are still very real for his family.
He didn't just kill my son that night. He killed us all.
Tomas's father, Gabriel, condemning 24-year-old Cameron Ortega, who left the scene of the crash. Last week, Ortega was sentenced to 10.5 years in prison and 5 years probation, short of the maximum sentence of 21 years in prison.
An example needed to be made of this person, and again, this system, it failed my son.
Ayala calling out both attorneys in the case, the judge and Pima County attorney Laura Conover, saying a plea deal shouldn't have been an option and this was too light of a sentence. Conover responding with a long statement saying in part, quote, "This case highlights that the system cannot return a son to his mother's and father's arms and cannot provide healing. Only in community can we bring restoration to those who grieve." As the Ayalas grieve, the community has been behind them. Tomas worked downtown at Cup Cafe at Hotel Congress, where this tree is now planted in his honor.
He was here for, 7 to 8 months. That's how much of an impact he was on people. You can't put a price on that support, that emotional support.
On May 13th, marking 1 year since Tomas's passing, friends and family will host a memorial concert here and unveil a plaque under the tree.
Until he's in my arms again, I won't heal. It's just impossible. He was a beautiful young man.
Tomas was also an intern at the Green Valley Justice Court, which will rename a courtroom in his honor. Reporting in downtown Tucson, Ryan Fish, KGUN 9.